Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the SPY ETF. We previously published an initial report on our website on Friday, November 17, 2023, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked SPY as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.88. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has experienced natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 4.67%. This means that, on average, it has delivered a return of 0.39% per day since being listed as hold/accumulate. Based on the current 3-month trend, it appears that there may be a potential minus 2.80% change in the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between minus 12.11% and minus 2.80%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a 14.24% change over the next year. This could result in a return between 4.98% and 20.71%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $473.22 to $544.13 after 12 months. Our latest update for the SPY ETF reveals that it has been downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, Friday, November 17, 2023, the SPY ETF price increased by 0.124%, going from $450.23 to $450.79. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.470%, reaching a low of $449.29 and a high of $451.40. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 3.7% and has seen gains in 8 out of the last 10 days. Notably, the volume of shares traded has also increased on the last day, aligning with the rising price. In total, 19 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 82 million shares bought and sold, valued at approximately $36.87 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $459.44, while the lowest price was $374.77. Currently, the price stands at 1.88% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $8.65. Furthermore, it is 6.08% below the all-time high, which was reached on January 4, 2022, when the price peaked at $479.98. Let's discuss the signals for SPY, the popular ETF. The SPY ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This positive forecast suggests a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock may find support at the lines marked at $444.84 and $430.75. A potential sell signal could occur if the stock breaks below these levels. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 9.77%. The upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The rising volume along with the price is considered a positive technical signal. Moreover, the long-term chart of the ETF showed a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This rare combination of the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line often leads to significant and sustained gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was generated 16 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was generated 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, there was a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. Short moving average, a buy signal was generated 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, a buy signal was generated 35 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. Let's start with support. SPY has found support from accumulated volume at $429.54. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. Moving on to risk, SPY is considered to have medium risk due to its average movements during the day and good trading volume. In the past day, the ETF moved $2.11 between its high and low, representing a 0.470% change. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been 0.628%. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $450.92. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for you, as you anticipate a rebound in the price. For this ETF, we recommend setting the stop loss at $431.84, representing a decrease of 4.2%. This particular ETF experiences moderate daily movements, which translates to a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14, a measure of momentum, currently stands at 91, indicating a higher level of risk. However, it's important to note that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 15 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? While SPY holds several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. Currently, it is best to consider it as a hold candidate or accumulate in this position while waiting for further development. We have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. After carefully examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 20th, we anticipate SPY to open down by $0.297 and start trading at $450.49. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Wishing you success in your trading endeavors and have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.